Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make a really cool craft, and it's called blind bag. And you might think, what is a blind bag? A blind bag is like a bag. It's a craft with a mystery surprise in it. So today we're going to make one, and I'm going to show you how. It's very easy. You're going to need 2 pieces of paper. I'm using A4 white paper to decorate. Markers, pens, pencil crowns, something to decorate with. Pencils, erasers, if you really need it, and scissors, glue, or tape. So first, we're gonna make the bag. So you're gonna fold your paper in half, hamburger style, or burger style, because this is a sausage fold, I call it, and this is a hamburger fold, so, or a burger fold, sorry. So, burger fold. Now, we decorate. Now, my blind bag is going to be a supply type of one. So, this is how mine looks like. So cool, right? This is mine. I have this You Got because the craft I'm going to put in, I'm not going to tell you, surprise, is going to be a rare in my opinion. And at the back, you want to make sure you have all the circles and what they are. The common, uncommon, rare, ultra rare, and legendary. And if you want, you can decorate the inside so when people look, they're like, oh my god, it's so pretty. But you don't have to. Like, really don't. To do this, you just have to fold the paper in half. Like, I'm using this cue card. Fold it in half. And then cut it to make it the size you want. Then cut the edges to make them curved. And then, yeah. It's that easy. So, after you're done decorating and write that you got, you can tape the open part. Okay, I taped this and the bottom. You might not be able to see, but I taped them, so I'll show you. And now there's only one opening at the top. Make sure there's one opening. And now it's a bag. In the side. Now you have your bag. Now you want to make your craft in it. So mine is a supply. It's not any of these supplies. And it's a rare, so actually I'm gonna make it an ultra rare because it's not here. Ultra rare. Now it's ultra rare because it's not one of these I have drew here. So now we shall. So I have my craft. I have my craft right behind my hand. Oh, that's so neat. And then you want to wrap it. This is the outside and how it looks. I'm not gonna show you what it is. You have to guess. So this is my other paper I got. You wanna put whatever you have in there. Then you're folding it in half. I already did my folding in half. Fold it like this. Then I'm folding it like this. And now I'm going to fold this I'm going to fold the bottom now and this side. So now there's one thing in there. And I'm going to tape it up because I don't want it to open. So yes, I promise if I'm being honest. Okay, now you have this. We open. There's two places. You put in. And I have another bag part in here. You can use that too for something else. Like I might put how to use instructions sheet in there to make it look more realistic. Well, mine does. It is realistic. You can actually use it. It's not a fidget or something. I'll show you how to make one of them in another video. Okay, I'm going to tell you what it was. It was a stamp. If you saw the cap before, it was the other part, extra part on it, and then you take it out, and then I have felt, and I used that. So, I'll tell you how to make it in another video. Fine. Ultra rare. Then you can decorate it too. So maybe I want to write. Maybe you want to make a big heart in another color. And this is like one of my best ones yet. Okay. My stamp, ultra rare. My bag. Open bag. Open the bag. I'm putting my hand in it so there's space. Take shape whatever your craft is or whatever you have. Close it. And then tape it up. There's like a blue confetti on it. So I just got rid of that anyways. Now the top is taped. And that's the end of today's how-to. Thanks for watching.